नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कुल अल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहुस समद लम यलिद व लम यूलद व लम यकुल लहु कुफुवन अहद. Respected Principal Sir, all the teachers and my dear brother and sister and all the guardians, I greet you for my Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sabina Parveen, standard of class 5 in Islamic Nobel School. Today I want to deliver a short speech on the topic of destiny al-qadar. Destiny of the Muslim belief is divine preordainment is an important part of Islamic faith. As a Muslim, we believe that Allah is complete control over everything in the universe and that He has a plan for everything that happens. This means that before we were born, Allah knew everything that happens throughout our lives. He knows what choice we'll make and what will happen to us as a result. It is important to remember that Allah is always looking out for us and what best for us. In fact, we believe that everything will happen throughout our lives. This means those who have certain surplus wealth. This does not mean that we don't have free will or ability to make good choice. We do. We have power to make our own decision, but Allah already knows what we will choose. Now I conclude my speech by saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, sister. It was a lesson to know from all of us.